So this is the path from my house to my Airsoft battlefield. You just walk on there, and I packed it down so you don't sink through. Then over here you kind of start into the maze. Each of the walls is about like 3/4 up, 5'5" person. So that's like the whole maze zoomed out. So you have like the outer perimeter path. You have some like roundabouts to make it interesting. And like all the paths will go into like center points. So you have a good battle. Then right there is like an observation tower that I built, so if people are new to the field, they can just come out and stand up there, which is about like 6 feet tall, that right there, so they can stand and see everything. I thought that would be a good addition for new people. And then there's one roundabout right there. Then over here, this is like an area you can go when you're out. There's like a little chair, and after I took this video, I actually built like a little table so you can put your guns on there and stuff. And then also, that's just a roundabout right there. And then that's following the perimeter path. And I make these walls not too high so you can like definitely shoot over them, so you can definitely hit people, which is what makes it way more fun. And that's like a zoomed out. And then over here on the right side of your screen, there's that little area that it's like built up, so you have to like run across without getting shot at, and which makes it a little more fun for that area. A little disadvantage. And then yeah, that's just a zoomed in version. And then over here, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the maze. And I may extend it out some more, I don't really know, but it's pretty good. It's definitely super fun. I played in it a couple times. It's really awesome. And I'm probably gonna extend it up into the woods too, which will make it really fun. Yeah. Thanks for watching.